Hermes Agent presents the MCP Catalog. Hermes now ships with a built-in catalog of MCPs, every one reviewed by the news team. Just type Hermes MCP, and the menu opens right in your terminal. Pick one, hit enter, and Hermes handles the rest. It clones the code, asks for any keys it needs, and tucks them away where they belong. Seconds later, ready to use. Every entry in the catalog arrives through a merged pull request. No anonymous submissions, no surprises. What you install is exactly what Nous reviewed. 2 integrations ship today. First, N8N, workflow automation, connecting hundreds of services through a single bridge. And Linear, issue tracking and project management, ready the moment you sign in. Nothing to install on either side. And any custom MCPs you've already added, they show up right alongside the catalog. One unified menu for everything you've connected. That's the MCP Catalog. In Hermes Agent, pick what you want, skip the setup.
The important part is not that Hermes supports MCP. It already did. The important part is that Hermes is starting to treat MCP servers more like reviewed packages, instead of random setup notes pasted from a README. In the docs, the new catalog flow is simple. You can open the picker with Hermes MCP, list the catalog with Hermes MCP Catalog, or install a specific entry with Hermes MCP install N8N. That sounds small, but it changes the day one experience. MCP setup usually means finding a server, reading transport docs, creating environment variables, adding config, restarting the agent, then hoping the right tools appear. The catalog compresses that into a menu, status labels, install prompts, and a tool checklist. For viewers, the promise is this: less copy-paste, fewer mystery configs, and a cleaner way to decide what an agent is allowed to use. The trust model is the real story. The official docs say catalog entries live under optional MCPs in the Hermes Agent repo. Presence in that directory is the approval signal. There is no anonymous community tier. Entries are added by merged pull request. That does not mean every install is risk-free. A catalog entry can still clone code, install dependencies, run a local server, open an OAuth flow, or ask for API keys. The difference is that the manifest is visible and reviewed. That gives users something concrete to inspect. Look at the source field. Look at the bootstrap commands. Look at the transport command. Look at the auth shape. If those pieces make sense, the install is much less sketchy than grabbing a command from a random thread. So the correct framing is not magic security. It is package manager discipline starting to show up inside an AI agent. The first 2 entries show why this matters. The N8N entry is a local style bridge. It points to a public repo, clones it, creates a Python virtual environment, installs requirements, then runs the bridge locally. It asks for an N8N base URL and an N8N API key. It also starts with a safer default toolset. Read tools are enabled, while more sensitive actions like workflow activation are not casually exposed by default. Linear is different. It uses a remote HTTP MCP endpoint with native OAuth. Nothing has to be cloned locally. On first connection, Hermes can open the browser auth flow, cache the token, and then expose linear issue and project tools. That contrast is useful. A catalog is not one install style. It can describe local servers, remote servers, API key flows, OAuth flows, and tool filters in one place. This also fixes a very normal MCP problem: too many tools exposed too quickly. A powerful server can give an agent dozens of actions. Some are harmless reads. Some mutate real systems. Some create tickets, update projects, activate workflows, or touch production data. The catalog flow includes tool selection. After credentials are configured, Hermes probes the server and presents a checklist. You can choose the smallest useful surface instead of handing the model everything. That is the part beginners should copy. Do not connect every MCP server you can find. Connect one useful server. Read the manifest. Install it. Then prune the tools. The goal is not to make the agent bigger. The goal is to make it safer, more specific, and easier to reason about. There are a few caveats. First, if your local Hermes install does not recognize Hermes MCP Catalog yet, update Hermes. The launch post and the current docs are ahead of older installs. Second, catalog entries are not auto-updated. If a manifest changes, you rerun the install after updating Hermes. Third, open source does not mean every connected service is free. N8N, linear, hosted MCPs, model providers, and APIs can still have their own accounts, costs, permissions, or rate limits. And finally, a reviewed catalog is not a substitute for judgment. It gives you a better starting point. You still decide which servers belong on your machine and which tools your agent should see. My take is simple. This is a quality of life release, but it is also an operator safety release. The best agent setups are boring in the right places. Clear sources, reviewed manifests, explicit credentials, small tool surfaces, easy rollback when something feels wrong. That is what the MCP catalog is trying to bring into Hermes. If you want to try it, start with one integration, not 10. Open the picker, read the manifest, install the entry, and only enable the tools you actually need. Then tell me which MCP should be in the catalog next, because that is where this gets interesting.